Hi students, class 10, exercise number 4.3, question number 6. 5-meter long ladder is placed leaning toward a vertical wall such that it reaches the wall at the point 4-meter height. If the foot of the ladder is moved 1.6 meter towards the wall, then find the distance by which the top of the ladder would slide upward on the wall. See the height of the wall is given as 4 meter, and then the 5 meter long ladder is given, right? So this is the ladder. If you take it, this is 5 meter, and then we want to find out what is the BC. Next, the foot of the ladder is moved towards the wall. If the ladder moved towards the wall means it will be increased, right? If the ladder moved towards the wall means the foot of the ladder moved towards here means then the ladder must be increased the height of the wall, right? When you move this ladder from the foot of the towards the wall means if you move this should be slide up, right? So this we take it as the position of D, which we take it as E. This is the increasing height, let me take it as X, H. This is BE, let me take it as unknown value X. Here the moved length is 1.6 meter. It moved forward, that is given, right? Let me take it as AD is equal to H and BE is equal to X, right? Now in triangle, this is the right angle triangle, right? In triangle ABC, see, this is the triangle of ABC. I draw here. This is A, this is B, this is C. A to B is 4 meter, A to C is 5 meter. We want to find out the distance of what is BC. So in rectangle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, you know the formula. Hypotenuse side square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now apply the values. AC square is equal to 5 square, that is AB is equal to 4 square plus BC square. BC we don't know, right? Now 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16 plus BC square. I want only BC, so I take this 16 to another side. 25 minus 16 is equal to BC square. 25 minus 16 is 9 BC square. Here we want to find only BC. So I take square root on both sides. So BC is equal to root 9. If I take square root means square and root will be cancelled. Here 9. BC is equal to 3 meter. So the distance of total BC is 3 meter. The foot of the ladder moved. The foot of the ladder moved 1.6 meter towards the wall. Then here it is 1.6 meter moved toward the wall. Then BE is equal to BC, total BC. We want to find out what is the BE. The total BC is 3 centimeter minus EC is 1.6, that is equal to BE. Total BC minus EC is equal to BE. So BC minus EC, that is BC is we have 503, EC is given as 1.6, and we subtract we get 1.4. So the distance of BE is 1.4 meter. Now to find H in triangle DBE, see this is the triangle DBE. A to B is, D to B is H plus 4, right? And then BE is X and DE the same ladder 5 meter. Here I draw the diagram roughly. D, B, E. BE is 1.4 and then DE the ladder height is 5 meter. So DB is equal to H plus 4 meter. The total D to A is h, and then AB is given as 4, h plus 4 or 4 plus h. So by using right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem, DE square, the hypotenuse side square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, DB square plus BE square. So DE is 5 square is equal to DB is equal to h plus 4 whole square plus BE is equal to 1.4 whole square. So 5 square is 25 is equal to h plus 4 or 4 plus h whole square plus 14 into 14 is 196. So we have two decimal places, 1.96. I take this 1.96 to the another side. So 25 minus 1.96 is equal to h plus 4 whole square. Subtract this term, we get, when you subtract this, we get 23.04 is equal to h plus 4 whole square. 23.04 is equal to h plus 4 whole square. Taking square root on both sides, if I take the square root means we get h plus 4 is equal to root of 2304. If you take the square root for this number, 23 is a square root of 4 point something, right? So 4, if I take square root for this number 2304, just take the two numbers, 4 4s are 16, remainder is 7, and the next two digit square, double this number, we get 8, 8 8s are 64. So we put 8, here we have decimal places, right? So here also I put decimal, 8 8s are 64, 4 remainder 6, again 8 8s are 64, plus 6 is 704. So 4.8 is the square root value. So h plus 4 is equal to 4.8. We want to find only h. So h is equal to 4.8. I take this 4 to another side, we get minus 4. So h is equal to 0.8 meter. Therefore, the distance moved upward on the wall is equal to 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter they have moved. Thank you, students.